up guys, it's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. So today I will not be doing a style myself. Instead, I am gonna have a friend of mine, but also a fellow braider, Bora Braids. She will be doing these really cute Bora Bora braids on me. So I got this hair from Ywigs. I got 4 bundles of like a curly, not kinky, I'd say it's more curly. And then we used not even, well, I got the jumbo pack of braiding hair, so we didn't use that much braiding hair. We tried to use as much bundles as possible. I think we got through using 3. I couldn't even fit all 4, and 3 still gave me, like, flip it to the other side so you guys can even see. 3 still gave me this super full looks. On a trip, I was like, let me just get my hair braided and have somebody else braid it for once. So yeah, I got her to braid it. She did a very great job. It took us about 9 hours. So I did still get some clips and I filmed in between us braiding, so I could just show you guys like her technique, pretty much go over how much hair to add. If you're a braider yourself or you're just trying to do this yourself, the video could kind of be helpful just to let you know. But I'm really hyped because I've been waiting so long to try this, but honestly the key to it is finding the perfect hair. Let's get into this tutorial. All right guys, so this is my braider Giovanna and we're gonna get started. So we already laid out all the hair that we're feeding in, and the braiding hair. This video is gonna be pretty, you know, short and sweet. There's not much to do. Yeah, but she's just starting the braid off. I kind of like slowed this one down for you guys. And pretty much she just starts braiding with my regular hair. We use like the gel, and she's gonna feed the hair in. So when she feeds one in, she usually takes a curly piece and then feed that in. We didn't feed that much in at the bottom because she said that reduces tangling. But once we got to the middle and the top, we were going ham. Like we were feeding in so much hair. I think we did about 6 to 8 pieces in each braid. So once we got to the end, she did continue braiding. Because this is human hair, it's okay to hot water dip it. So you no need to like secure it with glue or anything, because we're gonna dip everything at the end. And you want to keep adding hair even when you get to the end, so the end looks more curly than braids.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life.
So I just wanted to show you guys the hair before we hot water dipped, which is on the left, and on the right is after we hot water dipped. Not gonna lie, when it was really puffy, it was super cute too. Okay, that's it guys. Hair is Stuttering on my words. But here is the finished product of the hair. I could not film yesterday. Like, this is literally the next day, because by the time we were done, like, we were both just tired. I was tired of sitting. She needs to get home. We had our little drinky drink towards the end. Like, no more filming was gonna happen. But this is how it came out. I am so freaking in love. Like, I loved it last night, but you know when you get a new hairstyle and you gotta do your makeup and put on your jewelry and whatever to make sure you really, really like it. Like, I did that and I'm like, yeah, it's eating. I really, really like it. So